In this video, you'll learn how to transfer ownership of your workspace in Notion. First, open your workspace and click on Share. Add the person you want to transfer ownership to by typing their email address. Make sure to give them full access, then click Invite. Next, go to your workspace name at the top left and click on Settings. Open the People section and then select Members. You'll see the person you just added listed as a guest. Click on the three dots next to their name and select Upgrade to Admin. This will give them full admin rights in the workspace. Once they are upgraded, their role will show as Workspace Owner. At this point, you can either downgrade your own role to Member or leave the workspace entirely if you want to fully transfer ownership. This method makes it easy to give someone else full control of your workspace, whether you're handing over a team project or moving ownership to a new account. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.